Today I am working in natural light. Wow, so natural. I have this, what is it? Skin Fizz by Nugg. Still don't know how to say their name, once again. This is supposed to, like it says, what does it say? It says it's a 3-in-1. It cleans, exfoliates, and it's a mask. Like, it's all doing it at the same time, and it's like, what? So when I picked this up originally, I didn't know that this was a zippable pouch. There's like 3, it says it's like, yeah, you can use it 2 to 3 times in just one pouch. I bought 3 of these thinking that they were just one single use. So yeah, now I have a lot of these, so I hope it works. The instructions say to mix about a 1/4 teaspoon of powder with 1/4 teaspoon of water in the palm of your hands. So it's like I pour it in my hand and I just mix it. Interesting. And it says mix it with my fingertip, I guess, until the powder forms a fizzing foam. Oh, adding drops of water as needed. So, I mean, hopefully I don't have to add any drops of water because this is going to get messy, I can see. And then quickly apply onto face, avoiding eyes and mouth. Gently massage into skin and rinse off. For extra benefit, leave on as mask for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. I'm going to do that because I'm going to be so traumatized after trying to put it on my face. Now that my glasses are off, let me pour some water in my hand. Question mark. I actually decided to find a little small container because I don't want to make a mess. As you can kind of see, my face is a little dry right now, so let's see what it does for that. Best time to do it. I forgot to tell you what this smells like. The smell is grapefruit, but it smells fizzy, if that makes sense, like as if it was grapefruit soda or something. And I hope that's either enough or not too much. So we'll see. So like this. Oh, maybe that's too much. Oof. Start mixing it up with my finger. Oh, it is fizzing. You see that? Fizzy, 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 fizzy. Oh, I hope it doesn't fizz over. Yeah. I think it's gonna fizz over, so I'll start slapping it on my face. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Look at that. I'm getting it everywhere. I gotta avoid my nose and my mouth. It's fizzing over. I put too much crap. I got it on my shirt. I knew it was gonna be messy. Keeps fizzing over onto my desk. It's like bubbling. But definitely this is too much. I got it in my mouth. It tastes gross. There's too much water. Like, look at all of that. I'm gonna get this in my eyeball next. It's not a goal. It's just what's gonna happen. All dripping down my arm. I did it all wrong. I think it's supposed to be more of a thicker consistency than this. It's officially in my eye. It is exfoliating because it does have like the little grains in there. It's not like very harsh. They kind of dissolve after a few seconds. I'm gonna go wash this off. I can't see out of one eye. Yeah. I rinsed it off. And I mean, my face feels pretty clean. And it's, I don't know, it's a little above normal dry for me. Cause like my nose was already like, dry, but now it's like dry, but it feels clean dry, and I can fix that with toner. I have yet to find any like face wash stuff that will not make my skin like dry. Like, I always have to put toner on afterwards, after all of my stuff. Like, look at that. My lips are even crusty. It really cleaned my face. I mean, while I was washing, like, it still felt like there was something on there. So I kept, like, psh, 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 but, like, there was nothing there. Like, it was just nice and smooth suddenly. Yeah, there were, like, a lot of little particles or whatever to do the exfoliation with, but like they were I guess they dissolved after a couple of seconds, like I had said before. And that was kind of nice because sitting there going and like you didn't see a whole bunch of like just random white stuff. Like I rubbed it in essentially after it exfoliated. So yeah, I think that was nice.
Subscribe.